and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Arlene. She lives in Zone 9B, and her question today is, help, earwigs are eating everything in sight, transplants, seedlings, and established plants. Okay, earwigs can become pretty bad pests in the garden. So lucky for us, there are several organic and natural ways to eliminate them. So if your garden is really infested, I would apply several methods for at least 3 weeks to bring the population down quickly. So here are the top 4 ways that I like to get after those earwigs. So number 1 is earwig traps. Earwigs like dark, tight places to hide in during the day. So lay some corrugated cardboard out in the garden where you've had earwig damage. And the earwigs, they're going to climb inside the cardboard to hide during the day, and then just collect the cardboard in the evening and dispose of it. Number 2 is diatomaceous earth. So diatomaceous earth is just ground up fossilized seashells, and the diatomaceous earth will work its way into the joints of the earwigs, causing them to dehydrate and die. So go ahead and sprinkle that on fairly thick. If it gets wet, go ahead and put another layer on. Number 3 is garlic oil spray. So we use this for aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leaf hoppers, squash bugs, and whiteflies. So mince 1 bulb of garlic and soak it in 2 teaspoons of mineral oil for 24 hours. Next, mix 1 pint of water with 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, and then add the garlic mix to the water and the soap. Mix this thoroughly. Strain out the garlic and place this in a jar for storage. Then use 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic oil mixed to 2 cups of water. And you're going to spray this over the surface of the plants. I would probably spray at least twice a week if you got a really bad infestation. Number 4 is Slugo Plus. This is an organic listed product that has iron, phosphate, and spinosad as the active ingredients. And it is pretty effective on earwigs. It comes in pellet form. Sprinkle that around the garden. They're going to eat on that, and then they will get a bellyache and they will die. So you want to make sure that you have a few pellets out every night for them to snack on. If you put too many pellets out, it just kind of gets wasted. So just kind of keep in mind that they're only going to eat so much. Okay, one way to monitor your earwigs is to go out at night with a flashlight to see how many you really have. They mostly feed at night, and if you can be really consistent and on top of your pest control for the next 3 weeks, you're going to break their breeding cycle, and that should cut the population back pretty good. And then go ahead and monitor the population and reinstate your elimination program if needed. Be sure to check for earwigs early in the season next year and get on them before they start breeding. All right, if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your garden question. And if you would like to learn more about high performance gardening and want to watch us grow a garden week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we're going to follow the high performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the garden all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.